Product wiring harness. This wire is under the seat. Bus plug. This is the above the brake switch. This is the power cable. This is the door edge wire. The door edge wire is at pin 30 on the passenger side. This wire is the starter wire. The starter wire is behind the start button. The starter wire is behind the start button. Brake connector. The starter connector is behind the start button. Remove this. Plug this in. Connect the adapter and thread the wire down. Reconnect the start button connector to the vehicle. This connector is under the seat. This connector. Connect the power cable to the thick red wire. The car's storage wire is here. On the control box. Product wiring harness. High frequency antenna. Low frequency antenna. Main unit connector. Six-pin connector. Plug in the start button.